Very good evening, Master. This is Rajasekar. I am explaining about acidity. Acidity is it is common everywhere, and we have the definition of the acidity is that the liver helped in digesting the food we are eating every day, and by producing certain enzymes and acid. This is natural process. When we eat this, when we eat, the cell within the lining of the stomach pump acid to break down and digest the food we have eaten. The problem arises the when cell produce more acid than required for digestion of the food. The excess of acid produced result in acidity. The type of food we eat also trigger acidity. A spicy food and food that difficult to digest can causes acidity, and a stressful lifestyle and a heavy eh, uh, medication we also invite the acidity. And we have 1 minute, madam. And we have treatment and acupressure points of acidity, madam. And this is uh, acidity points is 4 finger lines, madam. Here L1, L2, L3 is there, madam. 1 minute, madam. Here is there, madam. Acidity point. Acidity point of the 4 finger, madam. And for chronic acidity, when you feel like a vomiting and have an unbeatable pain below the breastbone activate point and from the feet, madam. And we have to show the 4 finger point, madam. Here we have to L1, L2. We have to push here, madam. Here we have to L1, L2, L3, madam. We have to press L1, L2, and L3 for acidity 4 fingers, madam. And we have oh, and this is the one home remedy L1, L2, and for illusion 16, madam, for chronic acidity. When you feel like a vomiting and have an unbeatable pain below the breastbone, activate the points of feet, madam. Here in we have in our feet we have three acupressure STs 45. We have a three acupressure points, madam. We have to press that acupressure point, master. Okay, master. This is my topic, master. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, can you please share the image for a while?
Okay.
I will share the image.
Yes.
It is not. Here is there, madam. Both images.
Rajasekar garu, I will share the image. Okay?
Okay,
I will
ma'am.
share the
Okay.
screenshot of it.
Okay, madam.
When you have chronic acidity, if you press on toe finger this thing, that acupressure point, it will be very beneficial. It is tried and tested on me.
Masters, do you have any doubts? So you can come forward and ask the sir. Any doubts, masters? Hope you all have got the acupressure points for acidity. That is, first one is here, right? For acidity, I think you have all taken the screenshots.